Yes, good morning students. So after profit and loss appropriation account, we are going to discuss the topic that is interest on drawings. Okay. So see, in that question, interest on drawing was already given. Okay, and I have told you that I'll discuss it in a different topic. Okay, and I'm going to explain it in detail now. See, if it is mentioned, see the first three things that I am going to discuss, their sum will be always coming in short. Okay, like of 1 mark, 2 mark. Okay, most probably in 3 marks also, but not for the long questions. Okay, see, so if it is mentioned that see, first we are going to discuss the question only. A withdraw 2400 per month on the first day of every month during 2014. Interest on drawing is 8%. Find out interest on drawing. Okay, a person is withdrawing 2400 every month. Okay, so to calculate, first we have to find out its annual drawings, so that are 28,800. And if a person is withdrawing on the first day of every month, then the rule is that you have to apply 6.5 months you have to take. That is a rule, that you have to take 6.5 months. Okay, so how you will calculate? First, always see in the question that if it is monthly drawing given or annual drawing is given. If monthly is there, then you have to multiply it with 12 to find out the annual drawings. Okay, so these are your drawings. So yes, the formula would be your drawings multiply interest percentage, that is given in this sum is 8%. Okay, into 8% into, because it is said that he is withdrawing on the very first day of every month, so 6.5 upon 12. Okay, so this is going to be your interest on drawing. Clear with that? See, next is when a fixed amount is, and see, he has told you that 2400 is the only thing that is withdrawing on the first day of every month. Okay, in the next question, when fixed amount is withdrawn on the last day of every month, then you have to take 5.5 months. Okay, if we are taking the same sum, then 28,800 into 8% into 5.5 upon 12. So this would be your interest on drawing. Okay, if fixed amount is withdrawn in the middle of every month, then 6 months has to be taken. Okay, 800 into 8% into 6 upon 12. Okay, clear with that? And in the sum of P&L appropriation, where nothing is mentioned, that would be the sum that I have also given you the homework, and we have discussed it earlier. So there was nothing mentioned that whether he is withdrawing on the very first day, on the end, on the middle. So what? So there you have to always assume 6 by 12. Okay, whatever the drawings would be given in the sum. For example, they have told that 20,000 is the drawing of A, so the rate is also mentioned, and always you have to take 6. Okay, 6 by 12. So these are almost same. In the middle you have to assume basically. Okay, clear with that? So next is when the drawing are made on different dates and it is nothing mentioned. See, there is what is happening, he is withdrawing 2400 every month, amount is fixed, but here somewhere comes where the drawings are not definite. So 600 he is withdrawing on 1st March, 1500 on 30th June, 5000 on 30th September, 3500 on 1st October. Interest on drawing is 10%. Calculate interest on drawing as on 31st December 2014. Okay, and these are the drawings that are given, and interest is given 10%. Okay, you have to calculate interest on drawing as on 31st December 2014. Always first purchase, see in the question that your year is ending on December or March. Okay, there is the thing that where you can go into wrong direction. Okay, and this is a very important topic that always in board it always come in 3 marks or 4 marks. Okay, so see how we have to solve it. First you have to write the date of withdrawal, that is already mentioned. Okay, you have to write it in the solution on 1st March. 600 amount withdrawn, date of withdrawal and amount. Okay, 1500 on 30th June, 30th September 5000 and 1st October 3500. Okay बच्चे, clear with this? Next आता months. You have to calculate the time period of this drawing until 31st of December. Okay, from 1st March, see, write it here, 31st December 2014. Okay, all you have to calculate till it 1st March to 31st December. How many months? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. 10 months. Okay, write 10 months here. From 30th June. Now June has gone because it's 30th June. So you will calculate from July. July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? 6 months. Okay, from 30th September, so September has also gone. From October you will count October, November, December, 3 months. Okay, from 1st October, yes, October, November, December, 3 months here also. Okay, then you will calculate, you will have to multiply it to find out the annual drawings. How many annual drawings we have done? 6,000, 9,000, 15,000 and 10,500. You have to get the total of it. So it would be 4,500. That are your annual drawings. Okay. So how to calculate interest on drawing? Your annual drawings. Okay. Multiply the rate of interest 10%. And here you will get 1/12. Always remember, here you have to get 1/12 because now you have calculated it according to month, so that is why you have to take 1/12, and here you can calculate your interest on drawing. I hope that interest on drawing, the topic is clear with you. Now you have to solve all the sums that are related with it and all the illustrations. Go through the illustrations also. Okay,